Oh, that's a bite. There he was. Heavy fish. That's a good fish. On the Mondo worm. Oh, giant fish, giant bass. Giant bass. Ooh, boys and girls. Giant bass on the Mondo worm. And he wanted it. That is amazing. That is exactly what we wanted. Gorgeous fish, man. Let's see. Come on. Got it. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. There we go. Let me dip her in the water. Let me get a weight on her. She's about 4 pounds. That's a really good fish. Let's see where we're at. Just shy of 4 pounds. Hold on, girl, stop moving. 357. Just a little shy of 4 pounds. Good fish, man. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Beautiful. All right, baby girl. Go ahead. Yes. Good fish. Oh, there she is. Oh, no, man. She hit it. Oh, there it was. Ugh. Holy shit, must have had the tail. So, my full intention while making this video was to attempt to catch a fish, number one, and then take pictures of it with my phone, and then show you guys how to do the fish angler app thing. But I completely lost my mind when I caught that big bass, and I didn't do that. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so that is not the fish that I saw come up and hit earlier, but it's a fish. And with that being said, this is the babiest of the baby fish I think you can catch in this pond. All right, guys. So this is going to finish up the video for today. I know it's going to be kind of short. I didn't catch a whole lot, but I got that one good bass. Just a little under 4 pounds. It was 361. And then I caught that little dinker, which is all good. To close out this video, though, I wanted to show you guys this fish angler app and a little bit of how it works. Okay, so I was actually able to save a picture of that bigger bass that I caught. I posted the dink too, but I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you how to upload a fish to the fish angler app, and I'm going to show you everything the kind of steps you go through. All right, so here we go. What you got here, there's the app. It's already open. Okay, see, what you do is you hit that plus sign right there. Hold on, here we go. All right, so you hit the plus sign and then you go to log catch. So it's right there. So it's going to pull up all your pictures that you have in the system. If you want to go to a different file, click right there at the top, and I'm going to go right here to GoPro exports, because that's where it actually saved the pictures of the bass that I caught this afternoon. So all you do is click on the pictures that you want to upload. Automatically puts them in the top. You hit the next arrow. It populates the date and the time in there. I don't know if you can see it too well, but the date and the time that you caught the fish, the date and time you took the picture actually, and then it's going to automatically populate your location at the time that you are posting right now. So it wouldn't be the time that you caught the fish, but I caught it right there in my backyard in my pond, so I can go hover over the pond and in the area that I caught the fish. And if you see here, you can actually list it as a private location or a public location. So I don't mind if you guys come and fish in my pond, man. Anytime y'all want, come on. We'll have a good time with it. So I'm sharing my location. So then what you'll do is you'll go here and you'll select what type of species it is that you caught, whether it's a black bass, alligator gar. You can see it's got a whole list of different fish here. So I've checked the largemouth black bass, and you keep going, and it's going to ask you for your weight of the fish. So mine was actually 3 pounds and 61 ounces, 6 ounces. We're going to hit done. The fish length, that fish was actually 20 inches long. Not 112 inches. So we're going to go down here to 20 inches. Right there. Done. So then you hit the next, and then it's going to ask you what type of gear you were using, what kind of bait you actually caught that fish on, which actually don't have the bait saved, but you can go right here to create custom tackle. You click the add button. You can take a picture of the bait that you used, and then you can add it to your list. So actually, I'm not going to do all that right now, but I'm going to keep going. So then you're going to come up to the end where it's going to ask for a description. So I'm going to type in there, caught this fish while filming. And then the Fish Angler app is actually put on a contest right now. And it's a hashtag catch 2020. So whenever you upload a fish and into the system, what you do is in the description, you type in hashtag catch 2020 in the description, and then you post the fish. Boom, you're done. And when you do that, they actually extended this contest until April 30th. So as you can see, the fish has been uploaded. So they've actually extended this contest till April 30th. So any fish that you catch, upload it on the Fish Angler app, write in the description catch 2020, and you're going to be automatically entered into this contest. And they're giving away all kind of stuff. So guys, check out the app. I'm serious when I say it's a great app. It's a lot of fun. It's kind of addicting, honestly. You get to talk to new anglers, meet new anglers, and You can find new fishing spots, all that kind of stuff. So it's worth it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, like I say every time. I appreciate every single one of y'all for watching. Thank you guys, and I hope y'all have a great day.